Hello friends, welcome to my channel, Tech and ICT Solutions, with another helpful video tutorial.
Everybody get your fucking hands up.
In this tutorial, I will show how to highlight mouse pointer on Windows 10. You can see that my mouse pointer is now in normal condition. Now, we need to download the pointer highlight cursor set from the below site. See my video description box for the link. Click on Download. Download complete. Now open this file and extract this. I already extract this file, and you can see all cursors here. Now, go to Setting menu, and click Ease of Access Options. Click Cursor and Pointer Size. You can change the pointer size and color from here. Now, click Additional Mouse Setting. Click on Pointer. Now, click on Browse, and select our downloader pointer. After select, click Open, and then Apply. We can see that the mouse pointer is highlighted in yellow color. Let's try to select another one in the same way. You can see, already changed the pointer and highlighter color. Friends, now you can try it from your end, and if have any queries, please leave me a comment below the videos. Thanks for watching this video. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel for more new tech and ICT related videos.